Berries are prized for the unique sweet and tangy flavors. But did you know that they are also an excellent source of nutrition? In fact, berries are credited for their immune boosting, detoxifying, and antioxidant properties. Leading the pack and enjoying much attention recently is the acai berry, the grape-sized fruit of the acai palm, native to Central and South America. Known for its superior ORAC or oxygen radical absorption capacity ratings, this super berry is now available in the Philippines as a great-tasting pure juice concentrate. We're in hot pursuit of the fountain of youth, and certainly when you think about fountain, you also naturally think about drinking. So how about a little bit of acai? Hi, Kathy.
Hello, thank you very much for inviting me over here.
Everyone's talking about acai.
I know, yes.
People are crazy about acai. People approach me in the street or in the supermarket and they say, tell me about acai.
Oh, okay.
So finally, could you answer all the questions?
Acai is the cold superfood. It's the berry from Brazil, in the rainforest of Brazil, and it's been used by the natives in Brazil for different ailments in the body and to prevent also from aging process.
So if you take acai and make it a part of your regimen, what does it promise?
It promises good life, meaning it prevents from body aches, it prevents from...
How about the blood sugar?
It helps on your leveling your blood sugar, since acai can control your insulin, so it controls the dropping of your insulin. At the same time, acai is very high in fiber.
As a potent nutritional supplement, many of those who have tried the acai are all praises for its beneficial results, ranging from weight loss to having more energy to having a healthier glowing complexion. How can you tell when a product is good and it delivers what it promises to give you? The only way is to have testimonials.
Having 5 kids is very stressful. And so Kathy introduced to me this acai berry juice. And then because before I was so sickly, because she told me this will boost your immune system, which is true.
What was your experience taking acai?
The first time, I was really shocked that I'm a very constipated person.
Okay.
And it addressed my constipation, and that's really great kasi ang hirap. What I noticed was my skin was glowing.
Yeah, actually, I noticed that.
And my skin tightened. And I think the muscle is toned. And
great.
totality, it makes you young.
We can buy acai here in Cory Carino World of Wellness in Vera Mall. They can call me directly. My cell phone number is 0922-888-7883. Again, it's 0922-888-7883. Everything is organic, no preservative, nothing. Acai is considered by Dr. Pericon and Dr. Oz and all those celebrities in US, in Hollywood, as superfood.
I have palpitations and it's gone. Maybe I'm gonna maintain this for a lifetime.
Last 3 days, wala akong boses. I took it and they said it's good for nothing kasi it's anti-inflammatory.